Get ready with me for my 30th birthday party. Morning. Today is such an exciting day because it is my 30th birthday party. I actually don't turn 30 for another week, but we're going to be in America when it's going to be my birthday. So I'm having a party with all of my friends in London tonight. I'm so excited to take you along with me. We've got such an exciting day planned. So this morning I'm just taking it easy, having like a bit of a relaxed morning because I think we're going to be going quite late tonight. I've just put on these amazing eye patches from Revolution. These are their hyaluronic acid hydrogel patches. So I'm going to do these first. I'm considering also doing a face mask as well, just to like make sure everything's super nice. I've also got these intense white teeth whitening strips that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to go and get dressed, and then I have a hair appointment. Guys, the most exciting parcel has just arrived. Let me put you here. Sorry about this terrible angle, but my dress has just arrived. I'm so excited to unwrap it. Got it from Selfridges rental, and I rented their self-portrait lilac dress. I already have a hanger prepped for it. I've been waiting for this to arrive. Guys, look at this. Hang on, let me put it on a hanger. Here we go. Keep spinning around. Look at that. So cool. Hair is done. She did a really nice haircut. I basically got a really good trim. Like my hair was looking a little bit unhealthy, and so she took off quite a bit. She took off maybe like 3 inches. It used to be down to my waist, but now it's kind of like just here. And she put in these really nice layers, and she did curls as well, and she kind of gave it quite a lot of volume. I'm gonna add in some hairspray in a minute, but first I'm gonna do my makeup. I wanna do my makeup quite glam tonight, so let me just put my hair up. Pretty much been using this every single day. It's the Garnier UV Glow filter, and it's absolutely amazing. It's got SPF 50, UVA, UVB, and it's an amazing base. And I've been combining that with my e.l.f. Halo Glow filter and the Maybelline concealer. So I'm gonna whack these on, and then I'm gonna do my eyes. Okay, I've just done my foundation, and I'm just kind of contouring at the moment. So I've put quite a lot of concealer on because I do want quite a kind of heavy duty look. Before I do my bronzer and my blush and everything, I'm gonna use actually this is empty, I think. Hang on, I've got a full one somewhere. This one, the MAC Fix Plus spray. I'm gonna spray this all over, and I'm gonna do this kind of every step just to make sure it lasts a really long time tonight. For bronzer, I'm going to use this Ecobella one. It's a brand I don't really come across that much, but they do these really great kind of heavy duty bronzers that I really like using for my contour. I'm going to do like a sort of 3, like along the top there and then down my jawline. Okay, bronzer is done. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Smashbox. I love this blush so much. It's so pigmented. You don't really need that much, but I put it just right there. And I kind of put it like almost under my eye, like on the top of my cheeks, to make it really pop. And then I'm gonna go blend that in. Eyes, I'm just trying to decide which one to use. I'm either gonna use my Naked palette or my Charlotte Tilbury. I think I wanna go Charlotte Tilbury just because it's like my birthday and it's a bit more special. This has like a collection of loads of them. I really like the Confident Eyes because my dress is obviously lilac, as you saw earlier, so I wanna kind of go for that almost like pinky tones. I think I'm gonna go for the dark brown on the corner and then the pink in the inner. Okay. What do we think? I can't tell if I've really overdone it or not. I don't know. I'm gonna do my mascara now. Curl my lashes, which is something that I don't actually often do, just because I don't really find if I need it for every single day. My lashes are quite long, but I feel like tonight I want them to like pop. I think I'm gonna combine my Ico mascara and my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara, because I think the Ico gives me loads of length, and I think the Charlotte Tilbury kind of gives it the volume, the like va-va-voomness. But the Ico is so good. This is the Skinny Lash, and I feel like I talk about it in every single video I do. The length is crazy on this, and that's kind of what I want, is like loads of length and lots of volume. Almost like you're wearing lashes, but it's natural. Okay, no, I've changed my mind. I'm gonna use the Pat McGrath Dark Star mascara because I think it's like even more voluminous than the Charlotte Tilbury one. This stuff is like actually mental. For my eyebrows, I'm just gonna comb them through. I don't really do that much to my eyebrows, to be honest. Just gonna comb them through and then use my Dior pencil. I think I might have slightly over tweezed them earlier, but hopefully it will be okay. I've just lined my lips with the Colour Sensational Maybelline lip liner, and now I'm going over the top with JLo's Nude. It's actually not JLo's Nude, but it's like the same shade as JLo's Nude. It's from L'Oreal's Colour Riche 235 Nude, but I used to have JLo's Nude, which they discontinued, and it's the exact same colour, also by L'Oreal, so I just call it JLo's Nude. And then over the top, I'm gonna put on the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lip gloss, which is amazing. And there we go. Makeup is done. I'm gonna get into my outfit. Okay, I've just gone through about 17 pairs of shoes. None of them worked, and now we're running super late. I should have tried my shoes on before, but I didn't. It's kind of a bit like 70s, but I've gone for these white patent boots, which should be a bit fun. I know none of it goes, but maybe that's the joy. Maybe it's just like a bit of like dancing, disco, fun. Okay, let's go.